Good morning and welcome to this week's virtual assembly. On the 11th of May, it's Keep the Heed and Read Day, and this has been instigated by the Scottish Library and Information Council. And we as a school have pledged to read for 6 minutes or more on the 11th of May, and we'll tell you why. So we're celebrating the power of reading, the power of libraries and good mental health by pledging to read for 6 minutes this coming Wednesday on the 11th of May. Reading is an excellent pastime. It broadens your horizons, it broadens your knowledge, it broadens your vocabulary, and it's a portable hobby. You can use books in the real sense, or you can use Kindles, or like me, I always have a Amazon Audible book on the go when I'm in the car, and a paperback that I would read at home. And I also like to read on a Kindle if I'm out and about as well. And the wealth of learning from reading is huge. It can't be measured. So to celebrate the power of reading, libraries and good mental health, everyone's being asked to pledge 6 minutes, which is not very long, this Wednesday, and devote that time to reading. And studies show that taking time for yourself to relax and do things you enjoy, like reading, is important for mental health and well-being. And it's been scientifically proven that reading for just 6 minutes a day boosts your mental health by 68%, and that's a statistic not to be ignored. Libraries can provide access to free books, and as we've said, mental health and reading go hand in hand. You can pledge using the following web address, keeptheheed.scot/pledge #keeptheheed. So you can actually do that online, and you can visit the library here at Ellon Academy to access free books, magazines and newspapers, etc. So that's really important too. So the Glasgow Warriors are supporting the Keep the Heed and Read campaign, and they've pledged to take a break from their training and read for 6 minutes on Wednesday as well. And it's a whole Scottish initiative, and as I said, endorsed by the Scottish Library and Information Council. You might choose to read a graphic novel, you might choose to read a comic book, you might choose to read the newspaper, anything you like. And you can read in different modes as well. As I've said, you can read with an actual paperback, you can read on a Kindle, and it's not reading as a sense, but you can access books through Audible as well. So there's a whole range of things. You might have preferred styles of writing to what you like. You might like psychological thrillers, you might like crime writing, you might like romantic novels. It just depends what your preference is, but have a think about what you might like to read on Wednesday. So also just a reminder that your peers in S4, 5 and 6 are still in their exams, and if you are out to the toilet during a class, you must be mindful that you've got to do that as quickly as you possibly can and get back to your class so that you're not causing any disruption. I don't want to see anybody lapping round about the school. The exams are on. You wouldn't like any disruption when it's your turn, and that will come very soon. When you're in and around the games hall, it's very important that you're quiet there, but there are also lots of rooms round about the school being used for exams. For example, on Monday, today we have music listening exams, and we need the facilities in the music department, so the exams will be there, so you won't be able to pass by there. So read the signs, watch for the doors that are closed with signs on them, and be respectful of your peers when they're sitting their exams. Thank you.